Stew with red sauce, Italian recipe. This lamb stew with red sauce is a traditional Italian recipe from Puglia, Italy. It's another simple dish that is full of flavor and makes a perfect Sunday meal. You can prepare it ahead, place it in the fridge, and then cook it before lunch or dinner. The ingredients are 500 grams lamb steak, deboned and chopped, 1 onion, 6 small to medium potatoes, 2 large tomatoes, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, ½ teaspoon oregano, and ½ teaspoon rosemary, 350 grams passata. Start by peeling and chopping your onion, potatoes and tomatoes. We suggest cutting them into medium chunks. Next, take a baking casserole and drizzle a generous amount of olive oil at the bottom. Then start layering 3/4 of your vegetables and top them with the pieces of lamb. Add the rest of the vegetables, and season with salt and pepper. Then follow by adding the rosemary and oregano. It's time to add the tomato sauce. We suggest you use a good quality Italian sauce to achieve a flavorful dish. Finish with a few drizzles of high-quality olive oil. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Take out of the oven, let it cool, and serve with a slice of crunchy bread. For those of you who like to start your meals with pasta, you can make a delicious pasta dish with this lamb sauce. If you choose to do so, add a little more passata and seasoning to your lamb stew, and serve the sauce over boiled strozzapreti. This unique pasta shape is famous in Calabria and has a beautiful texture that goes amazingly well with a rustic sauce like this one. This recipe serves 2 people, and if you opt to leave the pasta out, it is ideal when enjoyed with a piece of rustic crunchy bread. I hope you like this recipe. Buon appetito!